Whoa! What is that? Oh, it's smelly. Oh, it was £1. What?
80.
What flavour have we got, Paul?
So yeah, I know I was gonna get you a massive one, but they were like £30.
Some Oh, Paul, now we got in here. Got a card.
Oh,
Go on then, help me. Help me then. You see?
look like drumming floor. I think when I was chewing it, I was one of those.
Whose birthday is it? She just loves opening presents. Don't touch it. Oh, well done. I wanted to keep the wrapping paper, Polly, but hey ho.
Good girl.
Our name is Mud. Hang on. What we got, Paul? Look at Don't get that all over the place. Hey, look at that one. Aged proofs with wine. Oh, that'll do. That'll fill that up this afternoon.